So hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla and this is Missila. Thank you so much for stopping by again to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that you stopped by. If you're here for the first time, karibu sana. Kindly click on the subscribe button and join the family. If you're here for the second, third, 100th time, thank you so much for always watching my videos. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned till the end. So guys, just as I promised, we are here with the bedsitter makeover. This is the first episode of the makeover series, and today we are doing the metallic net. So yeah, just a minute, let's do this. Considering this is not does not have a separate bedroom, it's a bedsitter. I'm also thinking of bringing a modern net with a stand so that it looks good, because it's just right here in the living room, right? So that's another change that I have. So I'm here with a package from Jumia. I ordered this metallic net from Jumia. I think I'll put a picture over here of the stuff that I ordered so that we see also what I ordered versus what I got. So I'm gonna open this stuff with you and I'm going to figure out how to install it and put it in place. So I'm just gonna set up the camera in a correct position so that you see what I'm doing. And yeah guys, we are doing this. Just stay tuned and watch. Of course I'm going to show you before and I will also show you the after, so stay tuned.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
And just like that, the net is up and standing just a few more beats to finish up and I'll be done. I'm so proud of myself. It was hectic, but wow, I did it. I did it. We did it. Yay!
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.